If you want to purchase high-end quality furniture in Foshan, why choose Plain Homeland instead of the third-party buyers or other small factories? Let's firstly understand what a professional source manufacturer is.
We have 5,000 square meters office, 100,000 square meters factory, and 50,000 square meters headquarters showrooms in Foshan. No matter about minimalism, modern, luxury, retro, in style, or other popular design, we're all available.
Then what's the difference from choosing a third-party buyer or a small factory and choosing us? I think the most important is the quality and the certification. For high-end brand, quality and environmental is the basic security for customers.
We have our own hardware, upholstery, and wood factories, which means we can control each process from source and feedstock inspection. We also have a series of complete inspection systems for checking the provenance in process, which is hot power other small factories and buyers don't have.
Secondly, let's talk about the service and the experience. We cannot say if we hire someone who is good at CAD, we're professional. We pursue our home furnishing centering on product development. That's why we invest a lot on R&D and still keep updating every month.
We have experienced teams of the design, soft furnishing, customization, offering one-stop solution service, making you save time and better experience.
The most important is the after-sales service you are concerned about. The biggest issue of purchasing furniture is the item you pay, not the version you saw. But Plain Homeland can definitely guarantee you will get the same thing as on-site. Have a look at our products. We have the specification, warranty card, and our Plain Homeland exclusive logo. This is our standard.
If you cannot come to Foshan for purchase on-site, no worries. We offer the match scheme as per your layout drawings and confirmed item, material, color option by video, which guarantees the final product you'll get is the one you saw.
About the after-sales part, our contract will not guarantee about the quality, leading time, and so on. If anything not up to par, we will handle the issue and offer the best solution for you in short time.
We also have an exclusive CES department to solve any after-sales issues to make you a perfect purchase experience. That's why many designers in the design studio choose us instead of choosing buyers or small factories. They completely know that small factories and buyers cannot take good control of product quality and price.
So, no matter you want minimalism, luxury, or modern, or any other styles of furniture, come to Plain Homeland. Here can satisfy most of you want. You are mostly welcome anytime. See you in Foshan.